Hi, today we're replacing the passenger side of the Mercedes-Benz E500. This is 2005. It's almost 18 years old. So gaskets start leaking. So this is the plastic I covered. You can see the oil is dripping to the exhaust manifold. This in the summertime, then you know it's gonna burn. All right, will cause smoke and might be dangerous. So this is leaking pretty bad because you can see from the ignition coil pack right here. It's very greasy, every single one of them. Look at that. This, I used the tip of the glove, plastic glove to cover it. Gotta clean it later, all right? These basically, it started from here. This air vent hose, lose that one first, okay? Before you move the 11 bolt, okay? This right here. Two long one is on the left top, 1, 2, all right? The rest of it is the same size, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, including this one, the oil stick 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total is 11, all right? To tighten it, to put it back on, is 9 Newton meter, all right? And to lose that, there's 4 screws in the center of the coil pack. That's the screw right there, all right? I think it's used the T30 to lose it. To tighten it, it's a 5 Newton meter. All right, and that's a 2 small one is for here, all right? This is to put on the top of that, and the inside here, they don't have gasket, all right? You gotta make your own, so you gotta use silicone to go through the whole thing, all right? This is the whole thing for the air vent cover, and this is, I already cleaned it, all right? And this is a new gasket, just put it on. All right, if you flip this over, that's the one that air vent is gonna put on that. That's the 2D bolt. It's for here and here, okay? And that's it. You know, put it back on. Just remember, don't over tighten it. 9 Newton meter for this valve cover bolt, and these are for the coil pack, 5 Newton meter. All right, that's it. Just be careful, take your time. But the first thing is disconnect the battery. All right, the battery in the trunk. Do that first, and then when you remove all these cover, make sure cover the mass airflow sensor. All right, that's the one over there. And this is the passenger side of valve cover replacement. All right, it's not difficult, but the cleaning is the mess. All right, enjoy it. All right, have a good day. Bye-bye.